Good morning friends, welcome to the session. I hope you all are doing good. In the last classes we have done the odds method and dominance method. Today's class we will do the equal gains or probability method. Okay. So this method is utilized for a 2 by 2 matrix. The odds method is also utilized for a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay. So let us do a numerical. Find the value of game and optimum strategies of player A and player B using equal gains method. So the payoff matrix is given in the table. Now let us first solve this question using pure strategy just to know whether saddle point exists or not. So first we find the row minimum. The row minimum for first column is 8. The row minimum for second column is 6 that we have highlighted using circles. Now the column maxima. Column maxima for first column is 12. The column maxima for second column is 10 that we have highlighted using squares. Now we will find the maximin and minimax. The maximin is 8 and minimax is 10. That means minimax is not equal to maximin. That means saddle point does not exist. That means question can only be solved by mixed strategy. So this is the same question that we have solved for odds method. So now we will solve this question by equal gains or probability method. So I have copied the payoff matrix here. Okay. The P1 is probability of player A to choose strategy 1. P2 is probability of player A to choose strategy 2. Now Q1 is probability of player B to choose strategy 1 and Q2 is probability of player B to choose strategy 2. Okay. So as the name suggests, equal gains. That means player A will get equal gains against the player B strategy 1 or 2. Okay. To calculate the first equation, we will first consider the column 8p1 plus 12p2. That means sum of strategy 1 and 2 against the strategy 1 of player B equal to 10p1 plus 6p2. Okay, so this is against the strategy 2. Now as we know that P2 can be written as 1 minus P1. Okay, so we will replace P2 here by 1 minus P1. So this will be 8P1, 12 minus 12P1 equal to 10P1 plus 6 minus 6P1. Okay, so here we will get 12 minus 4P1. Here we will get 10, 6 plus 4P1. So if I take 4P1 this side, I will get 8P1 equal to 6. Okay. So from here I will get P1 equal to 6 by 8. That means 3 by 4. So if P1 is 3 by 4, P2 will be 1 minus P1, 1 minus 3 by 4. That means 1 by 4. Okay. This was for player A. Now we will solve for player B. Okay. So now we will consider the rows. That means 8Q1 plus 10Q2. That means sum of player B strategies first and second against the strategy 1 of player A equal to 12Q1 plus 6Q2. That means strategy first and second of player B against the strategy 2 of player A. So again we know it here Q2 can be written as 1 minus Q1. So we will replace Q1. So we will replace Q2 by 1 minus Q1. 12 Q1 plus 6 1 minus Q1. This will be Q1. 8 Q1 plus 10 minus 10 Q1. 12 Q1 plus 6 minus 6 Q1. Here we will get 10 minus 2 Q1 and 6 Q1 plus 6 Okay, so from this equation I will get 8q1 equal to 4. So q1 will be equal to 4 by 8, that means 1 by 2. So if q1 is 1 by 2, then q2 will be 1 by 2. Okay. Now to calculate the value of game, I can choose any of the equation, either this or this. Okay. So let me first calculate the value of game using this. So P1 is 3 by 4, that means 8 3 by 4 plus 12. P2 is 1 by 4, so I will get 6 plus 3, that means 9. Now using this equation, 10 P1 is 3 by 4 plus 6 1 by 4, so I will get 36 by 4, that means 9. Okay, now using this equation, 8q1 plus 10q2, so 8 multiplied by 1 by 2 plus 10 multiplied by 1 by 2, so I will get 4 plus 5 9. Now using the right hand side, 12 1 by 2 plus 6 1 by 2, 6 plus 3 9. So to calculate the value of game, I can choose any of the part from both the equation, either left hand side or right hand side. Okay, so now I can write the optimum strategies as player A, player B. They both have two strategies, first, second. So P1 is 3 by 4, P2 is 1 by 4, Q1 is 1 by 2 and Q2 is 1 by 2. Okay, so this is the answer. So this way you can solve the question using equal gains or probability method. Try it by yourself so that you get the real understanding. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment. Thank you very much. Have a good day.